Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're reviewing the electric bike for adults, a powerful and versatile e-bike built for adventure, commuting, and off-road fun. This bike features a peak 2000 watts motor paired with a 60 volts 32Ah battery, giving you a top speed of 40 miles per hour and an impressive 100-mile range on a single charge. Whether you're hitting trails, snow, sand, or city streets, this e-bike delivers consistent power and performance. Equipped with 20-inch fat tires and hydraulic brakes, it offers excellent traction, stability, and control on any terrain. Its rugged design makes it suitable for teens and adults alike, while UL certification ensures safety and quality standards. Perfect for mountain trails, off-road adventures, or daily commuting, this electric bike combines speed, endurance, and versatility in one reliable package. Click the link below for the best price.
Never you,